Pronunciation challenges. V and W sounds. V and with. Hello everyone and welcome to our English language learning video series. In this episode, we'll be tackling one of the common pronunciation challenges faced by non-native English speakers, the V and W sounds. Mastering these sounds will greatly improve your spoken English and help you communicate more effectively. So, let's dive in. The V sound is produced by gently placing your top front teeth onto your bottom lip and then pushing air out between them. It is important to remember that the V sound is voiced, which means your vocal cords vibrate while making the sound. Here are a few words to practice the V sound. Very, voice, vacation, video, victory. The W sound, on the other hand, is produced by rounding your lips and allowing air to pass through while your vocal cords remain relaxed. Unlike the V sound, the W sound is not voiced, which means your vocal cords do not vibrate. Let's practice some words to improve your W sound. Water, window, windy, weekend, wonderful. Now that you've practiced the individual sounds, let's focus on distinguishing between the V and W sounds. Many non-native English speakers find it challenging because the two sounds can sound similar. Here's a tip to help you differentiate between the V and W sounds. Pay attention to the placement of your lips. For the V sound, your top front teeth should touch your bottom lip, while for the W sound, your lips should be rounded. Let's practice some minimal pairs to reinforce the difference. Vase versus ways. Vine versus wine. Vote versus wrote. Vivid versus wid. Valuable versus wallable. It's common for non-native English speakers to mix up the V and W sounds. Here are a couple of common mistakes and some helpful tips to overcome them. Substituting the V sound with the B sound. Some non-native speakers may replace the V sound with the B sound because the two sounds are similar. To avoid this, practice pronouncing the V sound carefully, focusing on the placement of your teeth and lips. Mispronouncing the W sound as a V sound. Non-native speakers may struggle to round their lips properly for the W sound, resulting in it sounding like a V sound. Practice forming the correct lip shape by exaggerating the rounding of your lips when saying words with the W sound. Remember, practice is key. Keep listening to native speakers, imitate their pronunciation, and practice speaking aloud as much as possible. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our video on the V and W sounds in English. By mastering these sounds, you'll improve your pronunciation and enhance your spoken English skills. Keep practicing, and soon you'll notice significant progress. We hope you found this video helpful and that you'll join us for more English language learning tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.